Good morning, ma'am.
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 Ma'am,
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're muted.
Oh my God.
ma'am, I am also studying.
So sorry. Yes, I was saying we were doing previously yesterday what we have done. Yes, good morning, all of you. So what we were doing previously is we will continue with that same thing. जो हम कल कर रहे थे आपको क्वेश्चन 3 मैंने होमवर्क दिया था क्वेश्चन 3 and 4 right you have done question 3 and 4 both all of you have done question
I'm
3 and
not
question
given 4.
4 not given the fourth one chalo abhi I'm giving just wait a minute I'm giving you
Good
third and
morning.
fourth good morning third one देखो 5 multiply by 7 multiply by 9 and the fourth one I'm writing here is this one so fourth one is 12 multiply by 2 multiply by
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning start doing it and you have to send me the answers all of you have to send me
Okay,
the
ma'am.
answers good morning you also have to send me the answers of these questions do it yourself yesterday you remember method 1 method 2 and method 3 if you are not able to remember yesterday's question I'm going to share it on the D group also and you can look at back
Yes, ma'am.
look back also of your notebook back side
Yes, ma'am, I have done. And because I have done the homework, I know.
okay very good homeworks makes you revise whatever you the things you have done in class start doing it quickly
Twelve into 12. 12 into 12. 12
what is this बेटा मल्टीप्लिकेशन पार्ट शो करना है आपको जो मल्टीप्लाई करोगे उसे शो भी करना है do it quickly and send the answers to me
And we have to
Also,
do
we will write
rough work also.
yes
Ma'am, we will
Method.
write these numbers also method.
Method 1.
Prishti, whatever you wanted to do you can do it I don't have answers for your questions मैं आपको बता भी दूंगी फिर भी आप वही करती हो जो आप करना होता है आपको
Divide 2 is equals 5. Equals 10, 12, 12 to the 24. Multiply by
Ma'am,
5.
can I go to washroom?
hmm
4 into 4.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
go
4 to the 12, 12, 12, 12, 36, 48, 12, 5, 60. Ma'am,
please
can
so
we show
switch
how?
your cameras on cameras should be on everyone
Ma'am, can we show how do we have do multiply?
yes you have to show that In the fair, not
Okay,
in
ma'am.
rough, in the fair.
Yes, ma'am. 24 month 24 24 multiply 5 5 4 are 20.
Hare Rishabh, open your mic. Sorry, switch off your mic and open your cameras, everyone. Stuti, Yuvraj, Yashraj, Karthik, game खेल रहे हो? अच्छा, Karthik. Okay, I thought it is your DP. Okay, Karthik, your camera is on. Sorry. Do your work, beta Karthik. क्या कर रहे हो ये? Why are you sitting idle? Why are you sitting idle, Karthik? Do your
Ma'am,
work.
I've done. I'm sending. Ma'am, I've written third also.
Yes. Third and fourth, beta. Third and fourth together.
Ma'am, last time I have not sent you the second one. I will send.
No need to send the previous work. It's not required.
Ma'am, please see, I have sent.
Okay, something. Ma'am, I'm
Sheet, switch off your mic. Okay. Let me check it. Sheesh. Okay, correct. फर्स्ट आपने 5 7 को लिया 5 9 को लिया बेटा नहीं ठीक है 5 9 और 9 7 ठीक है 12 2 को लिया 12 5 को लिया 5 2 को लिया ठीक है करेक्ट वेरी गुड शीश वेरी गुड शीश I saw that whatever you made the project yesterday that was very nice but it is of English now
Yes, ma'am,
शीsh
English
it was very
dictation.
nice you made it
Mamta
very
ma'am.
nicely very good
Ma'am, I will saying something.
okay
Ma'am, my phone storage is full, so can I show MG?
yes
And please be
Ma'am, in this meeting, there is a waiting room.
what beta is there someone in the waiting room I removed that one I
No,
removed
ma'am.
it no beta I've removed him
Yes, ma'am. Always put a waiting room. Otherwise, he will join
नहीं, I have removed
directly.
them permanently. I use that permanent removal.
And you can also lock the meeting.
When we do this permanent this क्या कर देते हैं ये permanent वो कर देते हैं ना out, they will not be able to enter.
Ma'am, please be
मैं
my.
आपको भी अगर रिमूव कर दूंगी ना अभी से तो आप भी एंटर नहीं कर पाओगे. Even my meeting is not logged. Then also you will not be able to enter. And Stuti, just wait for some time, beta. Open your cameras, Mishti, Yashraj, Arpita, and Yuvraj. Open your cameras.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, good. Chalo, let us start. Let me show me the answers. Sorry, show me the answers quickly.
Ma'am, wait, I am doing fourth.
Mishti, please be quiet.
You know what?
Yes, what?
This joiner can be a hacker also because my laptop is not protected.
Okay. Because beta, yes, it can be possible. It can be possible because ये जो आता है ना, ये class का कोई नहीं कर रहा है. This may be the hacking side somewhere. है ना? Ask other teachers also to remove this permanently. Remove permanent का option
Ma'am,
आता है.
And then
ma'am,
he
some
can't
days
able to
ago,
join any of the meeting.
हाँ, what?
Ma'am, if you remain removed him permanently, he
No,
will
no, it's
not
not
able to
allowed. No,
join
no, no,
other
no, no,
other links also.
no, 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 no. But I don't know how this is get. I think that बेटा कभी आपने देखा होगा ना, तो ये join नहीं कर पाता है. Whatever whosoever it is, he or she is not able to join. Audio is not never connected. Audio is never connected when this goes on.
ma'am, some days ago in our Hindi class, some students were joining and some students name from the name some IDs were joining and in the chat box they are writing I am hacker. I am hacker.
Are they are just no, they were just simply they are not from the शीर्ष site. ओके अब ये शीर्ष के से ही कहीं से कुछ इशू हो रहा है शीर्ष वाले लैपटॉप से बिकॉज शीर्ष ने अगर फोर्थ सिक्स्थ बी कल लिख दिया था धोखे से सो इट वाज रिटन राइट सिक्स्थ बी उसका फोर्थ बी ही लिखा हुआ था राइट मेरे पीरियड में ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है बिकॉज आई शेयर डिफरेंट लिंक्स इन डिफरेंट क्लासेस इन हिंदी क्लासेस in other classes you might have the same link but in my class in my period I share the different link in different classes so it may be जो भी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है वो फोर्थ क्लास से ही आ रही है I will check it out. Okay, let me check out. Wait a minute. I have other ways also to find it. चलो कोई बात नहीं अभी ये फोर्थ ए चल रही है ना फोर्थ ए है ना Let me check who joined, who has seen my link. Fourth A, fourth B है ये. Fourth B
Ma'am,
है.
fourth
Ma'am,
B.
we
Okay. Just wait a second.
It's a fourth.
Wait a second. Let me check the info. I can easily see कि कौन है कौन नहीं है. अब मुझे इनमें से बताना है ये किस किस के नंबर्स हैं. ओके जो मैं पूछ रही हूँ उसके नंबर्स बताते जाना मुझे. आरफ सोलंकी है इस क्लास में ठीक है. अर्पित इज हियर इन द क्लास. अर्पित इज हियर इन द क्लास. यस मैम मैं जिसका नाम बोलती जा रही हूँ सही यस मैम. अथर्व सिंह.
yes, ma'am.
अथर्व सिंह आप 2 फोन यूज करते हैं बेटा.
No, ma'am.
2 नंबर्स से आपका चेक हुआ है. दिवांश आर यू हियर? दिवांश आर यू हियर? दिवांश
Ma'am, please wait. I'm
ओके
searching.
एक दिवांश
No,
नहीं है.
ma'am.
एक दिवांश का नेम नोट करो.
Attended on group.
दिवांश का नेम नोट करो. शीर्ष एक दिवांश का नाम नोट करो. कनिष्का इज देयर इन द क्लास यस
Please
और
wait
नो?
a minute. I have to know.
कनिष्का इज देयर इन द क्लास ठीक है. कनिष्का डोंट स्पीक मिष्टी. Kanishka is there, yes. Karthik is there, yes. Sangeeta ma'am. Stuti, is she here? श्रुति भी है, ठीक है। सुप्रीमा, सुप्रीमा,
Yes, ma'am.
are you, is your name Suprema Mishti? I don't know why she speaks in between unnecessarily. Srishti is here.
Speak my name.
No,
Srishti नहीं,
ma'am.
सुप्रीमा, सुप्रीमा, सुप्रीमा का नेम नोट
No,
डाउन
ma'am.
करो। यशराज is here, यशराज भी है। सार्थक, गर्व, गर्व अग्रवाल, सार्थक अग्रवाल is there? सार्थक का नेम नोट डाउन
No,
करो।
ma'am.
प्रत्यक्ष is here, here. ऋषभ is here, here. ये नितिन के नाम से किसका है बेटा? नितिन के नाम से किसका नंबर है? I don't know whose number is this with the name Nitin. आप में से कोई है नितिन के नेम से?
It's Manas.
It's what? मानस? हाँ मानस आपका
Ma'am,
है?
after Nitin, it is written Garg.
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है। प्रत्यक्ष के 2 नंबर से, प्रत्यक्ष आप 2 नंबर से हो बेटा? फोन यूज कर रहे हो?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I use 2 numbers in my
चलो,
group.
ओके। निधि, निधि कौन है ये? निधि के नेम से कौन है?
Ma'am, I think Misty.
मिष्टी।
Yes, ma'am.
Sheesh is already there. Sheesh, you have joined from one of your mother's number, right? Okay. पारुल गर्ग कौन है? ये मानस गर्ग हो गया। युवराज सिंह, ठीक है। युवराज सिंह is here.
Yes, ma'am.
युवराज सिंह is here, ठीक है। गोया is here. राजेश कुमार से कौन है बेटा? राजेश कुमार से कौन है?
Ma'am, he is my father.
चलो ऋषभ, ऋषभ तो आप दो से यूज करते हो, 2 फोन से यूज करते हो ऋषभ? फादर
No, ma'am, my father is also member of my group.
एंड अन्नू के नाम से किसका है बेटा?
Ma'am, my mother.
अन्नू का
I
नाम
am.
से?
Ma'am, I am using my mother's phone.
ओके ओके ओके, चलो। तो एक्स्ट्रा नेम जो है ना, तो एक ये नितिन के नाम से कौन है? ये नहीं समझ आ रहा मुझे। हु इज नेम्ड विद नितिन? एक ये नेम लिख लो नितिन। नंबर नोट डाउन करो, 745। शीश नंबर नोट करो, 745701334 इनके नेम जरा ध्यान रखना बेटा, ये जो भी है, ठीक है?
Ma'am, they are Devan, Suprema, Sarthak, and Nitik.
हाँ, ठीक है। इनमें से
Now, what is the spelling of Nitik?
NITIN. Everyone else send me your answers in the WhatsApp group quickly. बेटा तुम्हें क्या लगता है? They are say they
Yes,
think
ma'am.
they
I
are
have
smart.
already sent.
Okay, let me check it. मिष्टी, ये तुमसे किसने बोला था कि मुझे PDF बनाकर सेंड करो? Send me the picture. स्तुति, I have not got your picture. आप यही बोले जा रही हो, मैम please check my work, but I have not received your picture.
Because then my phone story is full, so I am not sending.
Okay, you have not sent it. Why you have not sent it?
Because my phone storage is full.
Okay, because your phone storage is full. Okay, delete कर दो बेटा थोड़ा सा फोन का वर्क। कनिष्का, ओके, नाउ प्लीज सेंड मी द वर्क क्विकली एवरीवन। कनिष्का, सॉल्विंग भी शो करनी है बेटा। आपने ये 45 को 7 से कहाँ मल्टीप्लाई किया? सेम विद दिस वन। कौन है ये? मानस, यू आल्सो प्रॉपर्ली शो करो ये मल्टीप्लाई कैसे किया।
Ma'am, I am doing a notebook.
Ma'am, can I put?
मिष्टी,
Ma'am, I
शो द
folded it like a
मल्टीप्लिकेशन।
bookmark.
ओके,
And
ठीक
can
है।
I put in my book,
हाँ
math book?
हाँ।
Ma'am, can I off my camera because I'm clicking
अब मैं रोज बताऊंगी
photo.
शीश आपको, जिसने भी जब जैसे वो शीश सेंटर होगा ना सेकंड वाला, I'll tell you some of the names every day. I have other methods to check it out, or maybe it is your network issue. Sheesh, it may be because of your network issue. Somebody is hacking somewhere your IDs. है ना? उससे
Ma'am,
भी
it can
possible.
also my
It may be also
duplicate. It's a
possible.
network problem.
Network problem, network issues की वजह से somebody is hacking your IDs. बेटा, you are not showing. युवराज सिंह, show this properly. Show भी करना है इसका multiply. Mishti, show the multiplication also. How you are multiplying it. Who is this? Arpit, correct. Who is this? Arpit, correct. मिष्टी, why are you typing again and again on WhatsApp? बेटा अच्छा लगता है तुम्हें बार बार WhatsApp पर लिखना and sending messages on WhatsApp? You like it? If you like it, then chat it with your friends, not here. Why you send again and again the same message? That the English work also you are asking, that again and again you are typing the messages. Yashraj correct. Yashraj ठीक है, very good. Who is this? Yashraj के बाद किसने करा है? प्रत्यक्ष correct. Good. Very good. चलो, let us start the next question. Let me start with the distributive property now. Look at my board, everyone now. Wait. Look at my board. Yeah. This is the distributive property I already told you. Distributive property क्या होती है बेटा? Do you remember the distributive property? I told you there yesterday. There are some properties. So let me tell you about the distributive property. Wait. See, distribute means, what do you mean by distribute? Butner, right? तो इधर क्या करते हैं
Yes,
बेटा?
ma'am.
According to BODMAS, first of all, let me tell you about BODMAS. Have you heard this word BODMAS before?
No,
Have you
ma'am.
heard this word BODMAS before? बेटा, this is the basics of any math. जब अभी आप addition, subtraction, multiplication सारे operations जब एक लाइन में सारे ऑपरेशन, आपको एक क्वेश्चन दे रखा है उसमें प्लस भी है, माइनस भी है, मल्टीप्लाई भी है, डिवाइड भी है, तो कैसे सॉल्व करोगे उसको? ऐसे नहीं, अगर आपको ऐसे कोई क्वेश्चन दे रखा है 4 + 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, ये अगर कोई क्वेश्चन दे रखा है आपको, आप इसे ऐसे स्टार्ट नहीं कर दो 4 + 6 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. इट इज रॉन्ग. In maths, always this rule is followed every time in every question. The rule of BODMAS is always used in math. BODMAS का rule क्या होता है? Brackets, B for brackets, O for off, D for divide, M for multiply, A for add, S for subtract. Understood? This rule is always followed in math. अगर आप इसमें, अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है, सबसे पहले इसमें देखो ब्रैकेट तो नहीं है, ओ तो नहीं है, डी है, डिवाइड है, यस डिवाइड है, 10 और 2 के बीच में देयर इज वन डिवीजन. ठीक है, 10 और 2, सबसे पहले आप ये वाला आंसर सॉल्व करोगे, ना कि ये 4 + 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज 5. ठीक है, अब डी डिवाइड हो गया है, अब एम मल्टीप्लाई सॉल्व करोगे, 6 और 5 जा 4 + 6 5 जा 34 इज द आंसर. ओके, स्टार्टिंग से नहीं कर देते हैं, हर बार आंसर रॉन्ग आता है बेटा. Every time the answer will come different. ठीक है, कोई किसी कहीं से स्टार्ट करेगा, कोई कहीं से स्टार्ट करेगा. Rule followed in maths is of BODMAS. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले क्या सॉल्व होता है? ब्रैकेट. तो क्या है, अगर मैंने आपको एक क्वेश्चन दिया है 3 + 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, दिस इज वन क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. ठीक है, इसको आप 2 वेज में कर सकते हो. एक तो आप BODMAS के अकॉर्डिंग करोगे, जो इसको अथर सिंह आस्क योर ब्रदर टू मूव, आस्क योर ब्रदर टू मूव. ठीक है, फर्स्ट मेथड में आप क्या करते हो, आप पहले ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करते हो BODMAS के अकॉर्डिंग. व्हाट इज 3 + 2? 3 + 2 is 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4. 3 + 2 is 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 and 5 4 is 20. सेकंड मेथड, आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करोगे. कैसे यूज करते हैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव? फर्स्ट आई राइट 3 + 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, और आई कैन से, यू कैन से यस मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 इज. तो आप क्या करोगे, इस 4 को आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दोगे, जो मल्टीप्लाई वाला 4 है उसको हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देते, बांट देते हैं दोनों में. एक बार आप इसे 4 3 के पास भेज दोगे, एक बार आप इसे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करा दोगे इस 4 की, एक बार आप इस 4 की 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कराओगे, ओ सॉरी 3 + 2 सॉरी, एक बार आप इसकी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कराओगे 4 से. Plus sign was there in between, so we will add it. So 3 4s is 12. 3 4s is 12 and 4 2s is 8. 12 plus 8 is total 20. See, this also you are getting 20 and this also you are getting 20. There are two ways. First is BODMAS वाला. ये हमने BODMAS के according किया, पहले bracket solve किया, फिर multiply किया. And the second method is by distributive property. Distribute कर दिया. 4 को 3 में distribute किया, 4 को 2 से distribute किया. 4 को 3 से, 4 को 2 से, और दोनों के बीच में plus sign था तो plus sign भी put. दोनों को add solve किया. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. You will get 20 here. Okay, let me give you one more question. Let me teach you one more question. How we can do in two different methods. Let it be 5 plus 3 multiply by 4. Let's take this one. Okay, तो इसको आप first method try करते हैं. Let's try the first method. First method will be 5 plus 3 and multiply by 4. 5 plus 3 is 8, multiply by 4. Total will be 32. Okay, and second method is the distributive properties. Second method will be by distributive property. 5 multiply by 3 multiply by 4. So आप इस 5 को एक बार 4 से multiply करोगे, 5 को एक बार 4 से multiply करोगे, plus 3 को एक बार 4 से multiply करोगे. 5 4s is 20, 3 4s is 12. Add them. 12 plus 12 is 30. Understood? प्रत्याक्ष क्यों हंसी आती है बार-बार है? चलो, let us start doing this question. Take out your maths pen notebook. New page you will start. New page से start करना, वो neat and clean लगेगा. Maths pen notebook, new page.
Tomorrow I will do a security scan also.
You can do what?
And tomorrow I will do a security scan.
Security scan. Okay. क्लास में से अगर कोई है तो ये इनमें से कोई है. इसके अलावा कोई और नहीं हो सकता जो मैं अभी नेम्स लिए आपके सामने. एंड इफ इट इज बिहाइंड अगर क्लास से अलग है, अगर आपके लैपटॉप से हो रहा है ये कुछ, देन इट इज डिफरेंट, समबडी एल्स. तो ये कोई और है. क्लास में से तो इनके अलावा कोई और नहीं हो सकता. They think they are smart. I'm smart.
We don't have to. We don't have to write any heading.
Abhi I'm telling you, right? You have to write down the heading. Question number is C. Multiply the. Let's better finish it. We'll not do this more. Following in two different ways. बस इतना question लिख कर छोड़ दो, कल करते हैं, because time is less. We will not be able to complete it in two different ways. Write down the question and leave it. Because I have to tell you how to write it down. Tomorrow I will tell you how to write it down.
And now we will do reasoning.
I've done the question.
Good morning, Neha. Actually, the only way to find out the
Bye, ma'am.
Maria ma'am.
What happened? Do it quickly, beta. Okay. नहीं, I know that was Zoya. I know. I have seen her.
And what Palak ma'am was saying?
What Palak ma'am was saying? Palak ma'am was saying about you only. Arey, we have 40 minutes. Oh, I thought the meeting will get at 11:50. Oh, I'm so sorry. Let's do the question. Sorry.
Ma'am, we don't have no reasoning.
रीजनिंग आज नहीं करते, चलो ये कंप्लीट कर लो, then we'll do reasoning tomorrow. Let's complete this chapter at least. First question is, if I thought कि बेटा ये period over होने वाला है, इसलिए at 11:50 I forgot the timings. This is the first question, so how will you do it? You will write your first method. You will write your first method like you have done in the previous one. This is the first method. So first method में आप क्या लिखोगे यहाँ पर? You will write here in first method. First of all, write down the question. What is it? 3 plus 6. Then you have to multiply by what?
5.
A second. I have just shared it on the AD.
Ma'am, I cannot
Yes, you have
find
to
my
multiply with the
pen.
Now first we have to
Okay.
plus 6 and 3.
Okay. Wait a minute. Let me share it. Wait a second, Bachi. Fourth AD. Where is it? That's it. This is exercise 3.3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fourth maths.
The C part.
3.3 question C. Okay. You have to do in the same manner that I will tell you, okay? Just wait. Do it like this. This is 6th period going on, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to do the second one yourself.
And ma'am, then we have to send.
Huh.
Ma'am, I have done now. Can I send?
Hmm.
Ma'am, can I send now?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done Pratyaksh.
Okay, Pratyaksh.
Ma'am, after doing, we have to send.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have to send only first answer, na?
Yes. No, both. Both.
Okay, ma'am.
I did not receive anyone's answer. Both of them. Okay, Athar Singh. Okay, Athar. Two plus what is very good, Athar. Very nice. ये बेटा अच्छा ठीक है करेक्ट करेक्ट बेटा सेकंड ऑप्शन who will do who is this Rabindra Singh के name से who is it who is with the name Rabindra Singh
Ma'am, I am Sheesh.
Sheesh बेटा who will do the second one
Ma'am, I am sending. Now I've sent.
who is this बेटा ये multiplication wrong की है 8 2 the 30 होता है Sheesh is it 8 2 the 30 and 4 8 the 16 what multiplication you have done Sheesh correct it
Yes, ma'am.
8 2 the 30 होता है बेटा आपने प्रत्यक्ष करा ठीक है बट यू हैव टू यू बेटा मेथड रॉन्ग है आपका जो आप जब द वे यू आर राइटिंग दैट इज रॉन्ग ठीक है प्रत्यक्ष यू आर यूजिंग द मेथड वे ऑफ राइटिंग इज रॉन्ग बेटा प्लस 4 into 8 you have to write you have to use a plus
Ma'am, I
sign in between
corrected.
okay who is this Stuti correct good Stuti
Ma'am, but the answer is correct.
ये आंसर इज ऑल्सो नॉट आंसर 48 तो आ गया तुमने क्या किया पता है 48 आंसर आना है तो पहले ही लिख दिया